In one afternoon, I built a YouTube channel that writes, voices, animates, and uploads videos on its own. Total running cost, 0 rupees. Here is the exact system and an honest look at what it can actually earn. First, the cost. Most faceless channel gurus sell you a stack of paid tools. This one runs on free and open source software only. Monthly cost, 0. The stack is 4 parts. An AI model drafts and sharpens the script. A free local voice model called Kokoro narrates it. Remotion turns code into animated visuals. An ffmpeg plus the YouTube API, I stitch it together and publish it. The workflow is just as simple. Pick a topic. The AI drafts a script and I edit it by hand because that human pass is what keeps it off the wrong side of YouTube's rules. Then one command renders the long-form video, the shorts, and the thumbnail, and it uploads itself. Start to finish, my time per video is about 30 minutes, and almost all of that is editing the script so it sounds like a human, not a robot. Now the honest part, because most videos skip it. You earn nothing from ads until you cross 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. Even then, ads alone are small. The real money is affiliates, sponsorships, and eventually your own product. The channel is just the free funnel that feeds them. And the best part, this video was made by the exact system it just described. If you want the full build, tool by tool, subscribe. I am putting the whole thing out in the open.